Hello, friends. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today, I want to tell benefits of a health insurance. Benefits of health insurance. A health insurance policy is primarily designed to cover you financially in case of a medical emergency caused by illness, accidents, or hospitalization. It has long term benefits that make taking a health insurance policy a definite goal in your annual financial plan. Let's look at how a health cover can benefit you. Hospitalization cost. One of the most pertinent benefits of health insurance policy is that it covers expenses for hospitalization, whether it is for accidental injury or illness. Illness hospitalization. Health insurance policies cover for costs incurred while taking treatment in a hospital for any illness. The expenses covered include any associated cost related to the treatment, ranging from the following: room charges, intensive care unit charges, doctor's fees, diagnostic test cost, surgery test cost, surgery charges, accidental hospitalization. At any cost incurred for treatment of injury due to an accident are covered in health insurance policies. These include any associated cost related to the treatment of an accidental injury that is covered in the health insurance plan, such as room rent, doctor surgeon fees, ICU charges, diagnostic test cost. Capping on room rent. An option to choose a cap on room rent in your health insurance policy is an important determiner because charges such as diagnostic and doctor fees are directly related to the category of room one chooses during treatment in the hospital. This feature involves options such as a fixed amount linked to the total sum insured of an individual or a single private room, and even no limit on room rent while undergoing treatment at a hospital. Daycare expenses. With advancement in the treatment methodology, there are many procedures that do not require overnight hospitalization. Health insurance plans are designed to help policyholders in such cases by covering such treatments as well without customary hospitalization. Alternative treatment. These days, not everyone prefers all optic treatment, and there are certain illnesses that can be effectively treated through other alternative medical treatment methods such as and homeopathy. Certain health insurance plans cover the cost of such alternative treatment as well. Pre and post expenses. When an individual takes treatment at a hospital, there are a series of visits with the diagnostic tests that are required to be done for you before you get treated as well as after. These expenses are considered by certain health covers. For instance, health insurance plans pay for the expenses incurred in the hospital for treatment, but they also factor paying for the expenses incurred prior to hospitalization for a certain number of days, ranging from 15 to 60 days prior to treatment. They also cover charges of follow up visits, medicines, and diagnostic tests. Once you get discharged from the hospital, some health insurance plans pay for such expenses ranging from 30 to 90 days from the discharge of an individual from the hospital. Transportation cost. The, this benefits covers the cost of ambulance and is generally offered as a sublimit of about for each hospitalization you undertake during your policy cycle. Health check-ups. Health insurance plans are designed to primarily take care of financial stress in case of medical emergency. However, insurers also want people with good health in their portfolio to ensure an individual is aware of their health. Most health insurance plans offer preventive health checkups on a yearly basis. This helps an individual to know about their health vitals and take corrective steps to bring changes to their lifestyle. In the long term, this helps insurance companies potentially their claims outgo. Waiting period in a health insurance policy. There are certain specified illnesses for which the coverage is not available from day one. There is a waiting period of 1 year to 4 years for specific illness. The illnesses that are specifically excluded are considered for coverage after policyholders sign up for continued of health insurance plans with the same company for a period ranging from 1 year to 4 years depending on their terms and conditions. Taking a health insurance plan at one early age helps individuals cross the waiting period at the stage of life where specified illnesses, which are generally excluded during the waiting period, do not tend to happen to a healthy individual. This enables policyholders to avail full benefit of the insurance cover at an early age. No claim bonus. Health insurance not only covers the medical expenses of those who have to seek hospitalization, for illness or accidental injury, but also rewards those who do not have to avail the benefits of health insurance and do not make a claim in the policy period. Such individuals are rewarded by way of increasing their insurance cover, some insured without charging any additional premium. A number claim bonus can be earned up to 100% of the original sum insured in the policy. This feature enables an individual to double the cover without any additional cost and is useful at older age bands when specified illnesses are likely to happen. These include cancer, diabetes, hypertension, and heart related complexities. Income tax rebate. While an individual pays the insurance premium for a health insurance, there is an immediate financial benefit in the form of income tax rebates on premiums paid by an individual. In India, health premium rebates are as follows. Health insurance for self and family, spouse and children is 25,000. If individual or spouse is 60 years old or more, the deduction available is 50,000. An additional deduction for insurance of parents, father or mother or both, whether dependent or not, is available to the extent to of 25,000 if less than 60 years old and 50,000 if parents are 60 years old or more. The effective cost of a health insurance policy is thus reduced by the deduction that is allowed in an individual's annual income tax. This is a built in double benefit of protection against financial strain as well as saving tax. Age barrier. Health insurance today is available for all life stages. An individual can combine the base hospitalization cover with a top up health insurance coverage to manage the cost of insurance and still get reasonably large protection for medical emergencies. At a young age, when tax saving specific products are available, with a low hospitalization cover, an individual can enjoy protection and tax benefits. At the family stage, an individual can buy a family floater cover and also look for covers that offer maternity benefit. Waiting period, one can look at covers that offer outpatient department expenses and the expenses for children's consultation for vaccination among others that are available. At a mid-age, one can look at expanding the sum insured to individuals with a reasonably high cover as illnesses due to lifestyle habits and growing age start kicking in. At a post retirement age, it is difficult to obtain sufficient and reasonable coverage. due to restrictions on entry age and pre-existing illness. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Take care.